The mouse is under... Okay, no, you have to be a little higher because I need to get to the mouse. She is right under this shoe.
That's Mishka's.
Did you see her?
Yeah.
Okay, now I need something. Keep filming. I'll bring it up. I can film Rachel. Let's see if we can get this mouse. Oh, I saw her tail.
I didn't.
Okay. Let's go outside and you can film the release. Close the door so it doesn't jump inside.
So I get another magic mesh.
See it? Oh, I see the tail.
Hello. Oh, it's so
Keep
cute.
filming.